We're explaining whether you can use Google Drive as an FTP server. The short answer is no. You can't directly use Google Drive as a fully functional FTP server. Google Drive is a cloud storage service designed for file synchronization and sharing, not for hosting files via the FTP protocol. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, requires a dedicated server application that listens for and handles FTP connections. Google Drive doesn't include this functionality. While you can share files from Google Drive via links, this isn't the same as an FTP server. FTP servers offer features like user authentication, permissions control, and the ability to upload and download files using specific FTP client software. These features are not built into Google Drive's core functionality. 1. Why Google Drive isn't suitable as an FTP server. Google Drive's primary function is file storage and collaboration, not acting as a dedicated server for FTP connections. It lacks the server-side components needed to handle FTP commands and manage user access in the way a true FTP server does. Its architecture is fundamentally different. It's designed for web-based interactions, not direct server-client interactions like FTP. 2. Alternatives for FTP functionality. If you need an FTP server, you'll need to use a dedicated FTP server application. Many free and paid options are available for various operating systems: Windows, Linux, Mac OS. These applications can be configured to store files on your local computer or a different server like a VPS, virtual private server, but not directly with Google Drive. Some cloud storage solutions do offer FTP access, but this is usually a paid feature. So be sure to check out any provider's features if you need to host files over FTP. 3. Sharing files from Google Drive. While you can't use Google Drive as an FTP server, you can share files using its built-in sharing features. You can create shareable links that allow others to download or even edit your files. This is a simpler, more user-friendly method for sharing files than using FTP. But it doesn't provide the same level of control or functionality as a dedicated FTP server offers for more complex scenarios. You might also consider using Google Drive's API for more advanced file management tasks if you are a programmer, but this does not turn it into a FTP server. 4. Conclusion. In summary, using Google Drive as an FTP server isn't possible. Google Drive is a fantastic cloud storage solution, but its design doesn't support the functionality of a dedicated FTP server. For FTP functionality, you need a separate FTP server application.